Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets were just too volatile, and yesterday also it was volatile and today also it was volatile. In the morning, Nifty went to yesterday's high, then again came down, came to yesterday's low. I think it's only 1 or 2 points away from yesterday's low, and again it went up and to close at day's high. Not only the day's high, a swing high also. Last half an hour trade today was exactly opposite of what happened yesterday. Yesterday in the last half an hour, Nifty and Bank Nifty both fell. Nifty fell more than 100 points, and today in the last half an hour, Nifty shot up by 70 points. So nobody expected that kind of short covering, but also nobody understood why the market went down in the morning in the first place. And European markets were in green, US futures were in green, Asian markets were in green, and then for no reason our market has gone down. And particularly there was a severe selling in banking stocks. Kotak Bank came under selling pressure, State Bank came under selling pressure, and more importantly HDFC came under severe selling pressure. So in fact, in the late afternoon rally was actually led by HDFC. So in the morning, I was just checking, all indices were down except IT index. Don't know what is the good news. And today in the pre-market also I said, today IT stocks likely to do well. Of course, my logic is, no logic is only magic. Nasdaq is outperforming, your IT stocks will outperform. So that is the only magic we have. So we have no logic. But surprisingly, TCS was the best performer today, and all the Nifty 50 IT stocks, they did really very well. So late afternoon, there was some recovery in financials, and Bajaj Finance came, I think it was nearly 150 rupees, it fell in the morning, then almost the entire loss has been recovered. So what was surprising today morning, the India VIX was higher for a third straight day. For 3 days put together, India VIX is higher nearly by 12%. So usually this is I would say this is a bull market, because now we are above 200-day moving average, or at least we can say we are in an uptrend market. In an uptrend market, so when the market comes down by profit booking, I think normally that fall should not last more than 3 days. And India VIX should not close negative for 3 days. But late afternoon rally so brought the India VIX down, and it closed in red today. But still nothing to celebrate about it, because the VIX is very moderately down. So looking at the open interest, I told you 17,200 is going to be the support. That's what I've been saying for the last 2 days. But anything to say is so easy in front of the camera, but taking a position and sitting down is going to be very difficult. So yesterday what happened, around 3 p.m. so sold 17.2 put option and 17.6 call option. Put option I sold for 40 rupees, call option I sold for 16 rupees. Then in the last half an hour, it was a gamma effect, the market fell like anything. The 40 rupees option I sold, it closed around 60 rupees. Because of weighted average, it was showing 50 rupees. And today, again, market opened higher and started falling. It went very close to yesterday's low, and the option which I sold 40 rupees, it went up to 75-80 rupees. So, I always say, it's easy to be an analyst, but it's going to be very difficult as a trader, and you need a lot of guts to take the position and sit down. So incidentally, I sat down today, but however, the 17,600 call option I moved to 17,500, and then I was sitting the whole day. So luckily, the late afternoon rally helped me to make some money. So today, even the 17,000, forget about 17,200, 17,300 as the highest open interest. Even 17,400 put option also has seen a large addition today. So that's because the markets, closed at the highest point of the day. European and US markets, European markets are higher, US futures are higher. So I'm not going to show you the chart because I have some other work. Okay, so because I'm in Singapore, so it'll be very difficult to show the chart every day because I have a lot of other work to do. Two stocks to watch tomorrow. Number one is LTI, and today there is no need to say, all IT stocks are doing very well. So this L&T Infotech, there's a large addition of open interest today. So that is likely to do well tomorrow and after tomorrow, few days. And also another key stock to watch is Asian Paints. So the crude oil has been very, very high for the last many weeks or many months. Now steadily it is trading around $100 or below, and Asian Paint has fallen now. Now it is trying to recover. So Asian Paint is another stock to watch. Then what is another stock? No need to say, Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise hit fresh all-time high every day, but don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, because tomorrow night the results will come. So Friday markets will react, and I think 2 quarters before, when the result came, the next day it was gap down 10%. So I do have a lot of positions, but I'm planning to square up those positions by tomorrow, so that I will not like to keep the positions ahead of the results. But I can always do some call ratio, so that market goes down, nothing to worry, because it is trading at the peak. From here going 5%, 10% higher is going to be very, very difficult, but going down is possible. So maybe tomorrow I will try to do one live video. I don't know, I don't have technical support, but I will try my best to do some live video tomorrow for a position which I am taking in Adani ahead of the results. So Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed at the highest point of the swing high, but not the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is nearly 200 point lower. So if at all market opens lower tomorrow, the Bank Nifty will be more weaker. If the market opens higher, who knows? Once again, short covering may set in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is struggling around 38,000, and anyway that is good, because the people have sold straddle and strangle, so they must be making some money. Moreover, Friday is a RBI policy, so the Bank Nifty banking stocks are likely to feel some jitter during this period. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.